Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the highest quality file you have and immediately duplicate the background layer. This protects the original while you work. Once done, convert that duplicate into a smart object so any filters remain non-destructive and adjustable later. Make sure you zoom to 100% to accurately judge whether the noise is mostly luminance speckle or color blotches. That distinction will direct your choice of filter settings and strength, preventing oversmoothing early. Now apply Camera Raw Filter and go straight to the Detail panel. Reduce luminance to smooth grain and lower color noise to fix chroma speckles. Nudge these sliders while watching 100% to avoid waxy skin. Once you've dialed rough settings, add a layer mask to the smart object and paint to limit smoothing to noisy areas, preserving texture elsewhere. Finally, add a high pass layer set to overlay at a very low radius to bring back crisp edge detail while keeping noise suppressed. Finish by selectively sharpening only the areas that need it. Create a merged copy, apply Smart Sharpen or Unsharp Mask at low amount, and mask it to the focal points so noise reduction remains intact. Once satisfied, save a PSD with Smart Objects for future tweaks and export a high-quality TIFF or JPG for delivery. If you see halos or blotchy patches, make sure to lower the filter strength or feather your mask edges. This usually fixes artifacts without
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.